What's up, Logan? We got your new training plan ready to go. Get you hyped for this, I guess. Doing a little intro to show you everything that we changed, some things we looked at in your last training program. Last training program, you looked like you used it perfectly, man. You were checking in with yourself every single day, writing in the right weights, adjusting your weights every single week based off that load. Same thing here, rep went up so you didn't increase the weight and it worked out perfectly for you. Same here, looking at the squat right here, 185. Went up, added a little bit of weight, worked out perfect for you, and you're already getting way stronger. It already shows. And yeah, look at that. You really use the sheet perfectly. Not a lot of people do that right away, so great job on that, man. If you keep doing this over and over again, there's no way you're not going to keep improving every single program. Because a lot of people don't go this in depth, and they really need to. And you're doing a great job in tracking everything and taking control. So it looks like you're seeing progress already, which is awesome. Said that first plan went great for you. Just changed up some stuff here. A lot of these days we did shoulder chest, and now we're gonna switch it up on you. We're gonna do chest and back together, and legs and shoulders. So let me know how you like that. We're just gonna find out what you like to do the most, and we're gonna keep attacking that. If you have any things that you really liked from the last program, let me know. Anything you're gonna really like in this new program compared to the last one, let me know. These are all built for you, so give me as much feedback as you want, and I'll be able to create stuff for you based on exactly what you want. But great job using the plan. Just added some new warm-ups that you might not have seen before. I know you did the 90-90 push-up plus. Got the videos for everything though. New movements instead of tempo squat, we got pause squats right here. I don't know if you're doing low bar or not, but if you do, it's awesome. I know it's hard to learn, so maybe we'll get in person for a day and I can teach you that. But yeah, you did great, man. So keep the ball rolling. We're going to keep improving every week. That's all I got for you, man. Make sure you come up here and check these days every single time. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 45, because if you don't follow it that way, you're going to be fatigued going to some days and you might hit back-to-back days of chest on accident then. So make sure you follow this up here. That's all I got for you, man. Have a great rest of your day and let's kill it.